Good day, everyone. Trust you're doing well today. Now, going straight to the point, if you have some spare cash to invest with this new week, I am here to recommend to you two promising stocks for this new week, and I will explain why I consider them promising. Number one, Stanbic. Now, current price is 95 Naira. Your expected return should be around 10% to 25%. Now, why do I consider Stanbic? Number one, clean balance sheet. Number two, good FX income. Number three, better risk management than other Nigeria banks. Number two, NB, that's Nigeria Breweries, makers of Star, Gouda, Mortina, Imot, Amstel Motor, other beers and beverages. Current price is 79 Naira. Your expected return should be around 10% to 25%. Now, why do I consider this stock promising? Now, you need to realize that Nigeria Breweries got beat up really in 2024. So, but now profits are recovering and people think the price may rise, back up because the worst has already happened to it last year. And then again, it's the festive season. People are drinking a lot this period. So expect the company to make, profit. For more promising stock recommendations, subscribe to this channel so you see my next week recommendation.